YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today in this video right here, I'm doing a review on the Andis Cordless Masters. Stay tuned. Alright YouTube, we are back, and let me tell you guys, I've had this clipper for about 2 weeks now. I've been using it consistently, and I must say I do love the clipper. Alright, I done benched every clipper that I've had. This is the only one that I'm using as far as clipper in my arsenal. I have at least 3 pair now, and this clipper right here is definitely my go-to. Now, one of the things that I would like to show you guys is a little bit of the design. They kept it true to, you know, the original one with the cord. To jump right into it, this clipper right here is lightweight. It's not the same weight as the one with the cord, and that's one of the beefs that I had with the clipper in the beginning. Well, the one with the corded ones, you know, that was my first clipper that I ever bought. As far as when I started cutting hair, this was like the top of the line clipper to get. But then as I found myself cutting with the cord ones, it just got real heavy. You know, my wrist started hurting every time. So that's what pushed me to look for different clippers, and I found the Oster Fast Fees. The Oster Fast Fees was lighter weight. It didn't take too much off at one time. As a beginner, I felt like that was the dopest clipper to have, because you could easily mess up and fix what you messed up. But as far as this clipper, this is right now at this point, I'm experienced. You know what I mean? I'm experienced, and I got my guidelines set. I got, you know, how I do things. I got everything down on point. So by using this clipper right here, going back to it, man, taking off the cord, what better clipper? You know what I mean? That's just how I feel about these. Now let's unbox the clipper and basically show you guys what's inside. All right, so let's open this up. As you can see, it comes with your Andis Masters, comes in this bag. Looks like it got a protective plastic over the blade. Man, this looks nice. Looks nice. I'm gonna take that off. Let's get a little closer on it. Check out this lever. Man, this lever is nice and firm too. It's not like it's loose at all, you know? It's just, it's nice and firm. But let's put this down and see what else comes in the Andis cordless box. You got your charger dock right here. This is probably where you put the charger in. Go to the back. You got your warranty. Funny thing about this paper right here that I never actually read what's inside. So let's continue that ritual. We're moving on to the box, and I'm pretty sure in the box comes with a charger. Yes, indeed. You got your charger right here. Also in the box, it has a little drop of oil. So right here on the sides, it says read instructions first. Do not turn on until clipper is fully charged. Always charge your battery first. That way there's no battery issues. So as far as charging goes, when it's charged, the light will stay blue, but when it's charging, it'll blink every so often, that blue color. Now let me give you guys a sound test, basically comparing the old Masters with the cord versus the cordless ones. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie, I like the snap on this one though. You see how they snap? I like that. I like that one on this one though. This is the corded one. Now I'm pretty sure you guys want to know, when you get these clippers out of the box, do they come zero gap? The answer is no, not at all. I have an easy way for you guys to zero gap without taking off this back piece right here. But yeah, it's simple, it's easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. All right, so the first step you want to take is closing the lever, and then you want to loosen up the screws in the back. Now what you don't want to do is take off the screws, because you're gonna still want to need them to be attached. That way you could adjust the blade. So right now, what you wanna do is find a flat surface. You can use a counter or a mirror. Just make sure the surface is very flat. Then kinda eyeball it, adjust it, try to get it as close to where the two blades meet, close as possible, and then screw it back tightly, and then your blades will be zero gapped. Now I showed you guys what this clipper looks like. I showed you if they're zero gap, the weight on them. I showed you everything about them. Now let's see how they perform. Alright, so that's how they cut, but one of the things I want to point out, do you hear the hair being cut though? That's one of the things that I love about this clipper, is that you can hear almost every individual hair being clipped off of the off the scalp. So this clipper right here, this is my go-to. This is, I mean, we all been waiting for this. This is like the Jordan 1 breads coming back. Alright, so let's get into the pros and cons to this clipper right here. Now, one of the things that I like about this clipper the most is the fact that you can hear every individual hair being cut off the scalp. Like, the satisfaction of you hearing that hair being cut, man, that's one of the things that I love about this clipper. I mean, the weight is lightweight. It ain't heavy no more. It ain't that brick that you used to go home and used to feel like you've been bench pressing 20 pounds all day. Times have changed now. You know what I mean? It's different. So that's basically two things that I love about this clipper. I can't really find too many cons about this clipper. One thing that I have to say though is that it's pretty loud. I gotta give it its loudness, you know what I mean? You could hear it, you know? But I wouldn't say it's too loud, too annoying to your client when it's on his head. It's not that annoying, but it could be quieter. Let's just keep it real, okay? It could be a tad bit quieter. So another con with this clipper, the battery life on this thing though, sucks. I'm gonna keep it honest. I'm gonna keep it real. The battery life is not good at all. It's about 90 minutes. It feel every bit of 89 when they say 90 minutes. I don't know. I mean, aside from that, that's why I always get 2. But I can see from a person that's like, you know what I mean? I ain't got that much money to spend on clippers like that. I can see how you could only want to buy 1. But in terms of, you know, saving the battery life and keeping this clipper throughout the whole entire day, you're gonna need about 2 of them. 1 is just not gonna cut it all day. All right, you get about 3 heads in, and that's just for the average person. You'll get about 3 heads in, and that's it. All right, so I always keep this one charging. I'm cutting with the other one. After that one dies, I'll plug it in, take this one off, cut with this one, and just reverse it like that. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you can just hook it up to the cord and cut with it with the cord on, but really, who wants to do that, you know? Alright YouTube, this has been the review from me. I know you guys seen a lot of videos out on this clipper already, but this is my take. This is how I feel about the clipper. The clipper is a must-have. Go copy, go get it. Go get you about 2 or 3. I got 3, okay? B. Clark Custom, okay? One of them pair is on the way, okay? I'm about to get mine customized, okay? That's how much I like this clipper. You know, I'm very excited on how these companies are really coming out with like classic cordless clippers. Like, we've been waiting for this for a minute. Like, I'm honestly, to keep it real with you, I'm waiting for the Oster Fast Feeds to come out with a corded clipper. You know what I mean? If they do that, oh man, I can't say it's, I don't know. I'm seasoned now, you know what I mean? So I could use clippers it takes a lot off at a faster rate rather than back then. I liked it, the fact that it wasn't taking too much off at one time. But you know what I mean? You never know. If they do coming out with an Oster Fast Feed though, don't get it twisted. I'ma cop that. I'm copping that, and I'm probably gonna use that. You know what I mean? But yeah, you guys, this has been my review. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. More videos on the way. Otherwise, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers.